Hey guys! Hey friends, welcome to my channel. It is 100 degrees outside and that is so hot. So what we're going to do today is make a watermelon slushy for those summertime barbecues. If you're having a wedding shower outside, maybe having a girls' night, you need to, cool down a little bit and have a nice refreshing drink. So first off, what you need to do, prepare a few hours ahead, cut up some watermelon. You want to cut about 4 cups of watermelon. And we will put it in the blender, blend it all together, put it in some ice cube trays, and freeze it for about 4 hours so we can have it for later. I got a seedless watermelon, but at the store came with some seeds. So make sure you get a seedless watermelon and make sure that there's actually not seeds in it. All right. Slice that out. Try not to cut your fingers off. If you do, I'm not responsible. So we're going to cut around the edges here so we get just the pink, red, fleshy bit of that watermelon. Cut that into our cubes. Toss that all into our blender here. And we are going to blend that up. Good, doesn't take long for that. And then you're going to pour that into your ice cubes. Okay, once that watermelon is frozen, it's going to look like this. We're going to throw those ice cubes into our blender here. All right. We're going to need melon liquor. Your choice of vodka. My favorite is Absolute, so I would recommend that. But if not, you do you, boo. Get whatever kind you want. Lemon. We're going to need the juice of the lemon, so I'm going to slice that baby in half. Get ready for that. I have my jigger, which is about 2 ounces of liquor, or of fluid, sorry. And then 1 cup. So we're going to mix 1 cup of vodka. And this is going to make about 4 drinks. So if you're drinking it by yourself, you might want to cut this in half, or don't. Cut that. Our melon, we've got about 2 ounces here. So we're just going to do 1 jigger. Add a little bit of green for fun. You're also going to need simple syrup. Okay, you need 2 ounces as well of simple syrup. If you don't have simple syrup, what you can do is do 1 part sugar, 1 part water, boil it together until it's all dissolved, then cool it down, and that will work just fine. But for me, I'm here for convenience. So we're just gonna use our already made simple syrup. Throw that in there. All right, and then we've got our lemon juice. About 2 tablespoons, but you can never have enough lemon in my opinion. So we'll do that there. Okay, now we're gonna blend it up. About 10-15 seconds or so, you be the judge. And we have our nice, cool, frozen watermelon vodka slushy. Cheers! That's great. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, so you can find out more fun with our next adventure. Have a good day, guys. Be safe.